Hi there, I'm, Sandy. Yeah, Sandy. And I'm super excited because today we're going to the beach. The sun's just coming up and the waves sound so cool. Ooh, look at all the seashells. I'm gonna collect the prettiest ones. This one looks like a tiny spaceship. I wonder if beach aliens use it. Time to build the most awesome sandcastle ever. I'll make towers and bridges and a moat filled with invisible sea monsters. And look, there's even a tiny beach for the sand people. Whoa, did that crab just wink at me? I'm gonna dance like him. Wiggle, wiggle, snap those claws. This is fun! Bye-bye, Mr. Crab. Thanks for the dance lesson. Oh, hello there, Mr. Seagull. Want to help me with my castle? No, wait, don't eat my seashell windows, silly bird. The castle's getting so big now. I wonder if any sand people live inside. Maybe there's a tiny sand king and queen having a royal ball. Oh no, a big wave is coming towards my castle. Wait, what's happening? My castle, it's moving. The Sandcastle King is waving at me. This is amazing! Your Majesty, quick, the wave is coming. Can you swim? Wow, the whole castle turned into a sand submarine. So cool! Oh, it's sinking back into the sand. Bye-bye, sand people. Even though the castle's gone now, I can still imagine it there. Hey, what's that in the water? It looks like a mermaid tail. Come on out, mermaid. I promise I won't tell anyone your secret. Oh, it's just a funny-shaped piece of seaweed. Still pretty cool, though.
Sandy, Shell, time for lunch.
I'm getting kinda hungry. Time for a sandwich. A sandwich, get it? Woohoo! The waves are like nature's roller coaster. I'm the captain of this wave. All aboard the SS Imagination.
Did you have a good day, sweetie?
Best beach day ever. Can't wait to come back and imagine more adventures.